reaction. Aha!
The silver has to be in here somewhere, but I don't know how to get it out. I need someone smarter than me who can figure this out, like someone who's good at chemistry.
How about Brian the chemist?
Let's do it. Good thinking, buddy.
Dad? 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 Where'd you go? No! This isn't hide and seek! I have to find Dad! Help! Help!
Well. If it isn't Brian, now tell me how to get this silver out, or else I will. Tell me now!
It's an aqueous solution. If you want time, I'll show you how it works.
Okay then.
An aqueous solution is precipitate reactions to where a solid is produced, and the solid is a precipitate. But how do we find the precipitate? Well, evil villain, to first figure out the aqueous solution, you need to write out the formula. Right here, I'm writing out magnesium chloride reacting with silver nitrate to create the products using the double replacement method. After you figure out the products, be sure to balance the equation correctly. After you balance the equation, you need to figure out the states of matter for the products. To determine this, you have to use the solubility rules to determine which of the products is the solid. In this example, silver chloride is used as the solid and magnesium nitrate is used as not the solid. This is called the molecular equation.
Okay, that is the molecular equation, but how does it all work?
Okay, then I will show you the complete ionic equation.
To do the complete ionic equation, you have to write out each individual element based on its charge and state of matter. Remember that polyatomic ions are also together and remember their charge. Also, remember the balanced equation to determine if it needs a coefficient in front of the element.
Okay, well, let's cut to the chase. How do I get the silver out of the glass?
Okay then, let me show you how to do the net ionic equation.
For the net ionic equation, you only use the reactants that produce the solid. You write this out just like the complete ionic equation using the elements with each of their individual charges.
I think Dad's in here. Is my dad in here or not?
Okay, yes, just don't kill me.
Okay, your life is spared. Oh, it's so dark down here. I need a candle. I think I just made a complete combustion reaction made up of hydrocarbon and oxygen to make carbon dioxide and water.
The daughter's coming to take the chemist. He threatened to kill me.
Oh no, she's coming to get me! Brian, how do you make an acid?
To make an acid, you use a nonmetal oxide and water to make the acid. In this example, we are using silver trioxide and water to make sulfuric acid.
Okay, acids are interesting and all, but teach me something more interesting.
Okay, let me teach you about bases.
To make a base, you use a metal oxide and water to make metal hydroxide. In this example, calcium oxide and water make calcium hydroxide to make the base.
Handle burned out. What the heck? What the heck? An incomplete reaction. An incomplete reaction only happens when there is a mixture between carbon and carbon monoxide and other things. Dad! I finally found you!
Why is she not reacting to the acid?
You fool! You used the basis of the acid.
This is the acid.
Teamwork! Okay, now let's get rid of the silver once and for all.
Yeah, Dad.
I'll show you something about decomposition.
For decomposition, you separate a compound into separate elements. For this example, silver chloride is separated into aluminum and chlorite.
Defeated the evil villain once and for all. Now all chemistry is safe with us.
Yeah!